Well, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Dearborn from NASDAQ, and it's my pleasure to welcome Darren Jensen, LifeVantage's President and Chief Executive Officer, to the NASDAQ market site. I'd also like to extend a very warm welcome to LifeVantage's management team and all of our other distinguished guests. We're very excited you can join us during Wellness Week in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring today's closing bell. How about a loud round of applause to kick things off? What do you say? LifeVantage is a pioneer in nutrigenomics and is dedicated to biohacking the human aging code. LifeVantage boasts a global footprint and maintains a relentless commitment to helping their customers live longer and healthier lives. In 2019, LifeVantage reported the highest annual revenue in the company's history and achieved significant milestone by being added to the Russell 2000 and 3000 indices. Not to be outdone, LifeVantage's stock price has appreciated over 75% over the last 5 years. And most notably, for the third consecutive year, the company was named the best places to work in the direct selling industry. Congratulations. I think that's worth another round of applause. LifeVantage is also passionate about giving back to the community. Your partnership with the nonprofit Families Helping Families has contributed to building and furnishing homes in poverty-stricken areas around the world. With a goal to improve lives of 1 million children, you're committed to making a lasting impact on future generations. I think that also deserves a round of applause. Darren, you have quite a remarkable group that's contributed to the company's success, and NASDAQ is very proud to be your partner. We look forward to watching you continue to grow and innovate as a NASDAQ-listed company. And now, everyone, please join me in welcoming Darren to the podium for some further remarks. Darren?
Good afternoon, and I want to thank NASDAQ for the opportunity of being here. More than any time in the world's history, everyday people have an ability to take control of their own health, from watches that provide instant monitoring of our vitals to our unparalleled access to cutting-edge research, to now having mapped the human genome. It's an exciting time to be in this field. Even 20 years ago, it would have sounded like science fiction to say that our genome contained untapped abilities to support our health, and that one day we would be able to communicate with our genes. But that day is here. This discovery changed the way we at LifeVantage see our fellow humans. You look at each other different when you know just how powerful they are. At LifeVantage, we can no longer accept the limits of the human condition. Since that first profound discovery, we have been relentlessly seeking to flip additional genetic switches, from flipping the NRF2 switch that produces antioxidants to flipping the NRF1 switch that produces mitochondria, and most recently flipping the NAD switch that increases sirtuin activity. We are dedicated fiercely to changing the discussion around health, rewriting tomorrow, and helping others see what we have seen. To see the immense potential in those around us. It's why we will never stop and why we are inviting anyone who is willing to join us. I feel honored to be part of a company that is making a difference in so many lives of people all over the globe, helping people realize they don't have to feel they aren't at their best, but instead by flipping genetic switches, they can feel better and do more. We want to thank NASDAQ, along with all of our customers, distributors, and corporate staff for an amazing 10 years, and together celebrate the incredible decade in front of us as we vow to continue to rewrite tomorrow. Thank you.
Congratulations, sir. Well done. I couldn't think of a better way to celebrate today besides the speeches and the clapping and giving you today's closing bell, Crystal. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.